Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Welcome to Housing Mega's Home Utsav 2020. My name is Kunal Sikri and I will be your host for today's session. So we understand that traditionally buying a house is a very cumbersome task and you have lots of, I would say, permutations, combinations, after which you are able to buy your dream house. So we at Housing actually bring you a very competitive advantage over here because you can see the houses from the comfort of your home. You don't have to move out, you don't have to move anywhere, and you can actually see the houses. Uh, we have lots of AR and VR technologies that we use for the same. And today we also are using one of our proprietary technologies to actually showcase one of the beautiful properties that we have in Gurgaon Sector 47. And it's a builder floor. And we have Mr. Dishant from Investors Homes with us, who has been working in this sphere for more than 5 years now, and they have a very beautiful property they like to showcase to for all of your needs, and hope you are able to buy the best property for you and get your dream house soon. So over to you, Mr. Dishant.
Hi guys, I'm Dishant from Investors Home.
Hi sir.
So,
So sir, if we talk about this property that we have, so can we first of all talk about the location, because location is the first thing that anyone buys. So if we talk about what is the benefit of this location that we have this property on.
so the property, this is in Malibu town.
Okay
So
sir.
Malibu town basically it's famous for its greenery. Plus they have uh, market or जो malls हैं basically बहुत close by Malibu town because we have 3 malls which is nearby Malibu town.
Okay.
And Malibu town it's a township, so they have properly gated community. They have their clubhouse, and that is totally secure gated area.
So great. So you have there is proper security, which is first of the paramount, I would say, concerns for anyone or any home buyer,
Yeah.
that you get proper security in that area. Then, as you was talking about, so there's a lot of greenery, and then we have a clubhouse even for this sort of property. So that is in itself is a very unique thing which is available, right, sir? So if we want to let's first of all see the property. So what I'll do is I'll showcase the property that we have today with us. So I believe, sir, this is the property we are talking about. So this is the main entry area.
Yeah.
Perfect. So as we can see over here, the elevation in itself is very beautiful about this property.
Yes.
Okay, so there is a garden just opposite this.
Yeah.
So this is the entrance.
Yeah.
So as you can see, sir, there is a lift as well, which is provided.
Yes.
So sir, what are the floors which are available? As we could see, there are 4 floors in this building. So which floors are available right now?
So right now we have two middle floors available in this property.
Okay, so
So the
first and
plot
second are
area is,
available.
yeah, yeah. The plot
Okay,
area is 470 yards.
okay. 470 square. So it's a very huge area in itself.
Yeah. And if we calculate in square feet, so that is something around 30 to 3200 square feet something.
So that is a covered area we are talking about now.
Yeah, yeah.
And so whatever we see in this tour right now is available. It's being given, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So all this,
It's
I
all
would
in.
say, interior work, every fall ceiling, lighting, even I would say wall panels, everything.
Yeah, yeah. Modular kitchen, you will get chimney hob also.
Okay.
So everything is branded.
And so we are using Italian marbles on the floor as well, I believe.
Yeah, using Italian marble on drawing and dining area. Plus, we are using branded vertified tiles in bedrooms
Okay.
like Azaria or whatever the brand is going on market. So we are
Mhm.
using.
So I believe, sir, this is a bedroom. So what are the sizes of these bedrooms? If I believe there is a separate dressing area with this bedroom as well.
Right.
Then itself is a very, I would say, neat finishing and wardrobes and everything which is being created over here.
If we talk about the master bedroom, so that is around something 14 by 15. Plus, you
Okay.
will get a dressing area also in that.
This is a dressing area which we are seeing over here right now on the screen, I believe. So all these cubicles and everything is being given.
Yeah. We are giving Jaguar fittings in all the washrooms.
Okay. The vanity cabinets, I would say, and glass tops, everything. So it's a very beautiful created property. It's very beautiful, I would say. And so how many bedrooms are there in this?
We have 4 bedroom plus we have one study room also in this property.
Okay.
Either you can create a storage or you want to create as a study, so that up to you. So we are giving 4 bedroom plus study.
Okay. So this is a very huge balcony which I can see over here now. So what is the size of this balcony? It's a running balcony, I believe. The area behind this is all green. This will be green in future as well.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
These all are the green area.
So the dressing area is same with the second bedroom as well.
Yes.
So we have the attached washroom with all the 3 rooms.
Right.
So this room has been segregated, so anyone can use as per their requirement. As you were talking about. So this has been created as a gym. So what are we providing in this kitchen now? So all these things, it's a fully loaded kitchen as I can see. So we are providing all these things.
Yes, yes, yes. We're giving chimney hob, fully modeled kitchen.
Okay. It's a very huge kitchen as well. So
This is 11 by 14. The size of the kitchen is 11 by 14.
that is larger than I would say a lot of bedrooms that we have in the market even. So you have ample space, so easily 2-3 people can work in the kitchen simultaneously.
Correct, correct. Exactly.
Okay, this is a dining area that we have. Okay, so we have a central lobby and then we have a separate dining area as well.
Correct.
So this is a front view, I believe, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Again, we have a running balcony. It's a huge balcony over here again. And there is enough parking
Yes.
even on the road.
Yeah.
So, sir, what is the layout?
So
It's a still
that is
plus
it.
4.
Yeah, this is still +4.
Okay. So you will easily get 2 parkings inside the house as well. You said this is the, I think, the guest bedroom that we have.
Right.
I would say it's a very beautifully created property. So let's just go back. So it's very beautifully created property. So you have a 4 BHK along with I would say a gym, study, store, whatever you want to create in that. And then you have a separate dining area, and then there is a lobby plus drawing room area that we have. Huge kitchen,
Yes.
and both the balconies are very splendid. I would say both side you have a green view, so that is in itself is a very unique feature that we have with this property. And along with that, we are getting parking. So parking is a major concern for the people who are in NCR. So that is something which is very beneficial even.
Right.
So if we talk about what we are nearly giving it fully loaded. So the electrical fittings, apart from the movable furniture, obviously. So we have nearly everything is there. Right, sir. So the Italian marbles are there. You have the wall panels. You have the wardrobes which are created. Modular kitchen, chimney, hob. Everything is given over there, right, sir?
Right.
So, sir, is there any maintenance charges or something which has been fixed, because these are 4 families which will be shifting over there? So, if there is a guard or something, anything which has been finalized yet for that?
For the society, they are charging 1500 to 1800 for the maintenance, which
Okay.
include security, your gardening, road maintenance, and water. So,
Water. Okay.
yeah. So all are inclusive in your maintenance bill.
And so, what about the if we talk about basically what is the pricing? If there are 2 different floors that we have, so there is a first floor, there is a second floor. So, is there a difference in these pricings as well?
Yeah, for the first floor we are asking 2.50, and for the second floor we are asking 2.40.
Okay, so there is a difference of 10 lakhs in the first and the second floor.
Correct, correct.
And the upper ground and the top floor are not available right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Perfect. And so, what about the schools and the hospitals? Schools are nearby, or what? So, what is it?
And Park Hospital is very close to Malibu town.
Okay.
And we have 3-4 schools nearby Malibu town, like we have DAV, St. Xavier, and Rotary Public School. So all are nearby Malibu town.
Okay. So you have 3-4 schools nearby. Then, as you were telling us, that there are 3 malls nearby as well. So markets is obviously not a problem.
Malibu town itself has their own market also.
Okay.
That called as Malibu complex. So that is वो सोसाइटी के अंदर ही आपको मिल जाता है. बाकी सोसाइटी से बाहर जाते हैं तो आपको 3-4 वहाँ पे मॉल्स की फैसिलिटी भी मिल जाती है ओपन हाई स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स में.
Great. And so if we talk about daily needs, so everything is available. So if we talk about daily rations or something, bread, butters, and these things sort of things. So there is these are shops available nearby. And so what is the average? I would say the people nearby. So how many houses are already there nearby in that area? So if someone wants to start living tomorrow, let's say, so are they able to shift tomorrow and they will not face any challenges in terms of, I would say, security or any sort of these sort of concerns?
Malibu town is one of the oldest township on the Sona road.
Okay.
तो basically सबसे पहले फैमिली मलिब टाउन में शिफ्ट हुई थी जो स्टार्ट हुआ था सोना रोड पे. तो सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप देखते हैं तो सोसाइटी पूरी गेटेड है और काफी फैमिली वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो चुकी है काफी.
Okay.
तो उसमें डेली आप इवनिंग को जैसे वॉक करते हो तो काफी फैमिली वहाँ पे आपको वॉक करते दिखेंगी. मतलब हरा भरा आपको दिखेगा हमेशा, कभी खाली दिखेगा आपको मलिब टाउन. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ये है मलिब टाउन का.
Got it.
बहुत अच्छी वहाँ पे जो आसपास जो लोग रह रहे हैं काफी अच्छे हैं, जैसे कि पॉलिटिशियन और जो ओबीसी के चेयरमैन हैं. तो काफी चीजें एंट्री वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी रह रही हैं मलिब टाउन के अंदर. और वहाँ पे 24 आवर आपके वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड और बाउंसर्स रहते हैं आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए.
अच्छा. एंड सर यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करते हैं, व्हाट आर द स्टैम्प ड्यूटी और द रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस दैट आर देयर?
स्टैम्प ड्यूटी सो वी कैलकुलेट अभी जो चल रहा है वो 5500 के आसपास है. वी कैलकुलेट 5500 into square feet the total covered area. So that will be your स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, यानी जो भी वैल्यू आएगी उसके ऊपर आपकी 6-7-8% के हिसाब से वो स्टैम्प ड्यूटी आपको देनी पड़ती है.
6, okay. So that is male, female and joint ownership, right, sir? Perfect. And if we talk about in terms of that flexibility in the payment plan. So if someone wants to pay, I would say segmented amounts, they cannot pay it completely right now. If that feature is available with you or not.
Yeah, that is also very flexible. So if someone wants to, finalize the property, so they can give 10% payment or 15% payment as per their comfort. Either they want to give 20%, so they can give 10% on the current month, and other उनको next month देना या फिर next to next month देना. So that is very flexible between builder and buyer. And rest of amount वो तब दे सकते हैं जब वो builder उनको पोजीशन दे देगा या फिर पूरी साइट उनको हम हैंड ओवर दे देंगे इन वर्किंग मोड.
And so इसका पोजीशन हम वही मैं उस पे आ रहा था कि पोजीशन हम कब इसका दे रहे हैं वैसे.
This is almost ready, so we will take hardly 15 days to get all to get everything in a final stage.
So if someone can make the whole payment, they can actually shift for Diwali. That is something which we are providing. Right. And sir, एक चीज और मैं जैसे जानना चाहूंगा, so लोन अगर हमें कराना हो तो लोन की यहाँ पर फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है, लोन हो जाएगा यहाँ पर?
This property is a freehold property, so you can take bank loan from any bank. So
Okay.
कोई भी dispute नहीं है, so papers are all clear. So you can take bank loan from any bank.
काफी इजीली इसमें बैंक लोन मिलती है. ऑलरेडी अपर ग्राउंड और तो फॉर बिकाऊ की फाइल्स ऑलरेडी जा चुकी हैं बैंक में, तो उसमें काफी ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड हैं बैंक की साइड से.
Okay, so loan has already been taken by the other owners as well in the city.
Right.
Perfect. It's a great, so it's a very, I would say it's a very beautifully created property. Again, I'll reiterate that because and the location and everything is very optimal. And as you were telling us, it's one of the oldest, I would say, residential areas in that particular set. So that itself actually talks about a lot about this property in itself.
Right.
And sir, इसमें अगर हम कोई बात करते हैं, so is it a flexibility? I would say because this is a pandemic time, so we all understand. So if there are any additional things, something which we can provide to our consumers.
हाँ बिल्कुल, पेमेंट टर्म्स में हमको बहुत इसके बाद हम बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल भी हो गए बिल्डर की तरफ से भी और मार्केट में भी. सो व्हाटएवर द अमाउंट, जो भी अमाउंट होगा वो हम यदि ऑब्वियसली कुछ ना कुछ तो डिफरेंसेस आए हैं मार्केट में, तो वो भी फ्लेक्सिबल हैं इस चीज को लेकर.
Perfect. Right, sir. So I think let me take, if guys you have any questions, you can ask those questions so we can discuss those if anything is there. Also, if there is any possibility of making any sort of change, so this is let's say it's properly created. So if someone wants to break some walls and want to join some area, particular area, so can we actually do that for the customers if required?
स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा बिल्डर के लिए, बिकॉज अगर वो बीम नहीं हुआ तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अगर वो वॉल होगा तो वी कैन हम एक बार उसके लिए, बिकॉज बीम आने की वजह से पूरा स्ट्रक्चर हम उसको तोड़ नहीं सकते. हाँ, बट थोड़े बहुत आप कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अगर आपको चूज करना है, किचन में अगर आपको माइका आपके अकॉर्डिंगली चूज करनी है, वॉलपेपर यू कैन चूज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट, so that is available.
Minor changes is possible, but if you talk about structural changes, so that's not possible, I guess. And everything has a cost, so you need to get
exactly. That is what I am asking.
Right.
Great. Right, sir. I believe we have covered nearly everything about this property. So it's a beautiful property. So I'll showcase the numbers for the customers out there, so you can directly contact them. So thank you, Mr. Dishant. Thank you for joining us today.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you, sir.